BRZ is a brilliant driver's car, lightweight, rear-wheel drive, tactile, nimble and fluid at speed. In terms of qualities that allow for dazzling point-to-point performance, it lacks only power and intense mechanical grip. In the US, options for tuning the BRZ to amplify its strengths or diminish its weaknesses are mostly found in the aftermarket. In Japan, meanwhile, driving enthusiasts can start with the factory-tuned model you see above, the BRZ TS. Designed and built with the engineering prowess of Subaru Technica International, the limited edition TS is tuned for track competence over and above that of the base model. The intent of the TS wasn't lost on me as I stared over the front fender towards turn 1 at Japan's Suzuka circuit. Not just the proper place to test the eye's claims of increased handling brilliance for its BRZ tune, but a perfect one. Suzuka's challenging, fast and technical in equal measure, and a playground for sorting out the margin of improvement from the standard that BRZ I know so well. The company is set on changing that and building STI into a performance brand that's as easily recognizable in America as M&AMG are today. That message was delivered a body in the STI concept car at the New York Auto Show earlier this week, but as I mentioned then, we don't expect Subaru to turn up with the production-ready BRZ STI next year. First, STI will deploy its parts catalog to the US, removing the half-hearted Subaru performance tuning parts business in the process. Next, according to a vague timeline presented in Japan, Subaru will offer a car like the TS to US customers in approximately 18 months. It's helpful to imagine that TS stands for Tuned by STI versus the full STI designation on the WRX model. That is to say, the modifications are aimed at improving handling rather than increasing power. Look under the hood of the TS and you'll find the same flexible strut tower brace that Subaru uses on the WRX. A similar spirit led to the development of what STI calls the flexible draw stiffener, a brace with integrated coil springs that links the front and rear subframes to car's unit body. Like the flexible tower brace, the draw stiffeners add body rigidity for heavy cornering loads, but have enough give to ensure a good contact patch between all four tires and the road. Those tires are wider and stickier than the stock 215-section BRZ rubber, 225-section Michelin Pilot Super Sports riding on plus 118-inch STI wheels. Braking is improved along with grip. The TS runs larger Brembo brakes than the stock car. Just how much larger was a point that was lost in translations, but with 4 piston calipers up front, the improvement is more than just the extra heat capacity of bigger discs.
If